In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Walmart employee account. Whether you're a seasoned pro who needs a refresher or you're new to navigating the company platform, I'll guide you step by step through the process. Alright, so let's get started with the first step. To begin, you need to go to the OneWalmart site policies page. This is your starting point. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the direct URL or simply search for OneWalmart login in your search engine, which will bring up the official site link. Once you're on the page, you'll notice a streamlined design aimed at providing easy access to all necessary resources. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the site layout, especially if it's your first time visiting. Now, right there on the homepage, you'll see a login button. This is typically found in the top right corner of the screen, easily accessible for your convenience. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the login page. This section of the website is specifically designed to ensure secure access to your account, so you can rest assured that your credentials are safe. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your user ID. Your user ID is essentially your unique key to accessing your employee account, so make sure you've got it handy. It's crucial to enter this information correctly, as any typo or mistake might prevent you from proceeding to the next step. After entering your user ID, you'll see options to select your country or region. This helps tailor the experience to your specific locality and ensures that all info and resources are relevant to where you are. It's straightforward, just pick the country or region from the provided drop-down menu. In addition to your country or region, you'll also need to specify your exact location. Much like selecting your region, this ensures you're aligned with the correct corporate processes and updates significant to your workplace. Again, take your time to choose accurately from the drop-down options available. Finally, with all these fields filled out, you're ready to sign in. To do this, simply click on the Sign In button. If all your details are correct, this will bring you into your employee account, where you can access everything you need for your role. And there you have it, folks. By following these simple steps, you're now logged into your Walmart employee account. It's designed to be as user-friendly as possible to ensure a smooth and efficient login process every time you need to check schedules, pay stubs, or access resources. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in making your login process seamless and stress-free.